Chapter 5. Introduction to the Internet. We can connect two or more computers together. When computers are connected with one another, it is called a computer network. Computer networks help to share the contents of computers with one another. Computer networks also help one person to communicate with another person very easily and quickly. The Internet. The Internet is the largest network that connects computers and other electronic devices all over the world. With the help of the Internet, we can send a message or even talk to a friend, no matter where he or she is. We can chat with someone else on a computer or a smartphone with an Internet connection. Uses of the Internet. Knowledge and information. The Internet is a rich source of information on almost everything. We can search and find information on anything very quickly using the Internet. The Internet helps us to learn new things with less effort. News and entertainment. News from all over the world is available on the Internet in the form of newspapers, magazines, journals and videos. The Internet is also a medium for watching movies, listening to music and playing games. Communication. Email, a wonderful feature of the Internet, helps us to send and receive mails anywhere in the world instantly. Email even allows us to send pictures, documents and videos. Instant messaging services like WhatsApp provide a chance to chat with others. Video conferencing facilities allow us to meet and talk with others over the Internet. Business. We can buy or sell many things over the Internet. We can send or receive money through the Internet. Education. Internet provides means for learning new things. Using the Internet, students and teachers can participate in online classes where everyone can meet and talk. Terms related with Internet. Web pages. Information on the Internet is in the form of documents called web pages. Web pages contain text, images, video, audio and graphics, which can be seen by the Internet users. Websites. A website is a collection of related web pages grouped together, like the different pages of the same book. Websites can be accessed through different devices connected to the Internet, such as desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. World Wide Web. It is the collection of websites all over the Internet. World Wide Web is responsible for sharing documents and other files such as audio, video and images. Web browser. Web browsers are application programs on the devices which help access the websites. Web browsers read the web pages and show them to the users. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Uniform Resource Locator is the unique name or address that identifies a document in the World Wide Web, such as a web page. It is commonly known as web address. No two documents on the web will have the same URL. Web surfing. Just like we switch between channels while watching television, we can jump from one web page to another. This is called web surfing or internet surfing. Hyperlink. A hyperlink can be seen on web pages or other documents in the form of underlined, blue-colored text or an image. It helps users to open a web page by simply clicking on it. Hyperlinks help in surfing the web easily. Advantages of the Internet. Easy way of communication. People can easily communicate without spending more money by using the Internet and its features like instant messaging, emails, etc. The Internet reduces the cost of telephone calls. Helps business. It helps companies to reduce their cost and increase profit. Business can be run from anywhere in the world. Source of knowledge and information. People can access whatever data or information they need. It helps in easy sharing of knowledge among people. The Internet is a tool which can be used for learning new things. Disadvantages of the Internet. Chances of wrong information. Information available on the Internet is contributed by other people. Therefore, we cannot blindly trust all the information provided by the Internet. Most of the information provided by the Internet need to be verified. Virus threat. A virus is a program which is harmful to our computers. Virus spreads from computer to computer very easily through the Internet. Loss of information. The Internet helps to find information on computers at remote locations. But it is not secure as it can be lost. Chances of fraud. Since the Internet connects people remotely, there is a great chance for cheating and fraud. Addiction. Addiction to the Internet can cause health issues and may distract us from our daily routine. When computers are connected with one another, it is called a computer network. The Internet is the largest network that connects computers and other electronic devices all over the world. The Internet is used in different areas like business, education, entertainment, etc. Email helps us to send and receive mails anywhere in the world instantly. Information on the Internet is in the form of documents called web pages. A website is a collection of related web pages grouped together. World Wide Web is the collection of documents all over the Internet. A web browser is an application program on the devices which helps access the websites. A hyperlink is a tool which helps users to open a web page by simply clicking on it.